pineapple. But you know, I have oh yeah, I have pineapple plants behind my house, there in my garden, and then oh, I will make this a video, and then bearing a fruit. Yeah, I have 3 pineapple plants and bearing a fruit. So the first one is big one now. It's growing big, and the two is late coming. The fruit is not too big. So I will make pass by. I will make this a video, okay? The pineapple. Every year I can harvest sometimes 2 pieces or 1 piece this pineapple.